kissing you, me, sitting in a tree. Kissing, oh wishes, you, me, sitting in a tree. Kissing.
When it became clear that Hurricane Irma was headed straight for us, my husband and I decided to evacuate. We packed up our belongings, the children in the car, took pictures of the home for insurance purposes, and headed for Orlando. We hoped it was far enough, and we prayed that we'd be safe. We drove and drove and drove. This trip should have taken us 2.5 hours. It took 6.5 hours. This was why everyone was on the road, escaping Irma. Upon arriving in Orlando, we decided we might as well keep the kids busy and stay away from the televisions. So we took our first family trip to Universal, where the children met Fiona, Donkey, and Shrek. Zoe was showered with kisses by the minions, and Nicola, he wasn't so sure. This stop was only for me. Zoe was not so happy with this ride that she took with her dad, but it was part of the experience.
Oh yeah, everybody, let's do it. All right, let's do this. Yep.
And then the storm was upon us. The drive home the next morning was quiet and fast. We were very lucky to have our home intact. I know that some people were not so lucky and they lost their lives, their homes. And this is why I did not want to make this a fun vlog. I simply wanted to share our experiences.